Okay, what are we gonna do first? I have a great idea, and it all starts with this balloon.
I love balloons. I am gonna go get one.
And I'll place the neck of the balloon through this tube.
Sue, this is harder than I thought.
Now let's fill the balloon with slime.
Sue? That's not slime, if you know what I mean.
Ooh, Sam! I told you to use a tissue!
I'm going to travel around the world. I'll see you in 80 days. Or less.
Yeah, good luck with that!
Oh no! Help! There's a hole in my balloon!
Come on, don't panic. Use an anti-stress toy like me. Sam, are you okay?
I'll take a cab next time.
Phew, I was so worried about you. Oh, this is so relaxing.
That's a great craft, Sue, but I want more! More!
Of course you do, Sam. I know. I have just the right idea. It's gonna look awesome. Done. There you go.
Sue, take this off me. I'm scared. Ugh!
I got you, Sammy. But we need this for our magical unicorn.
Sue, I wanted to help. Did I do everything right?
Yes, thank you. Give me just a few seconds to finish here, okay?
Wow! 2 unicorns! It's like all my dreams are coming true. I don't want this moment to end. Faster, Princess Sparkles.
Hold on. Where is your unicorn? I need it.
Uh-oh. Hey, little unicorn, look what I have. Come to Papa. Oh, yeah, like that. Come on.
Oh, yeah. Wait, we forgot to fill it with cotton, but I don't have any.
Come a bit closer, my magical friend. We are almost there. Come on. Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. I have to borrow some of your soft, squishy filling. Once that's done, I can seal this paper unicorn completely. Just like this. It feels great. What do you think, Sam?
Wow! It's even better than I thought. Thanks, Sue. I want to play with it right now. Oh, my precious.
So, are we done here? I'm going out.
Oh, no. We're just getting started. You need to make more toys for me or I will get bored again.
I knew you were going to say that. I've got it. You'll love it.
I'll be the judge of that, Sue. But no pressure.
Okay, how about something a little bit different? I'm a real pro!
One of your best work.
Thanks, Sam. Wait, are you being serious? You really like it?
Of course. How could I not?
I don't think a painted cube will keep Sam happy, so let's make it even better. Voila! How do you like it now? Look! It can tell your mood today. Whoosh! This cube is so much fun. You can do so many things with it. Want to play a game? Here you go.
Whoa! This is so cool! I want to play with it right now, Sue! Give me that! Come on! Sue, all that hard work has made me hungry.
I know, me too. How about some delicious watermelon? This card will be my template for the watermelon slice. I'm going to leave a little extra material around the sides so we could sew it up.
I'm patiently waiting here, Sue. Could you move a little bit faster?
Don't worry, Sammy, I am almost done here. This green is the perfect color for the rind. But where is the needle?
The service in this restaurant is terrible. I'm not leaving a tip.
Don't be so dramatic, Sammy. Better be patient.
I guess I'm not eating that. We'd better
it's not edible. But this is the cutest watermelon you've ever seen. It only needs more details. Sam, check this out. I am pretty sure you're gonna like this toy.
Ugh, so adorable. I will call you Walter. Sue is going to make a toy for you, too.
Another toy? Fine. But I'm doing this just for Walter. Whoa, so shiny.
Walter says you're doing a great job, Susie.
Thanks, but wait till you see this! This is the best poppet of all times.
It's bowling time. And it's a strike! Yay!
You should always be careful with hot glue.
Sue, I lost my straw.
First, you were playing. Now you want to have a drink. And I was working during all this time.
Let me see. Wow, you did great. I could look at that thing whole day. I'm so happy. I'm dancing. Woohoo! Oh, yeah.
Looking good, Sam. I love it. This will totally get millions of likes. Yay! Oh no! My phone!
I'm so sorry, Sue. Is it okay?
I think so. But I'd better put a case on it to keep it safe. First, I will cover my phone in plastic wrap. There we go!
It's good that your phone is already protected. Huh.
Oh, it's gross, Sam. Cut it out. Okay, where was I? I've cut out this shape from white foam paper and now I'll place it around my phone. Now I'll just add more colors. Wow, it turned out really cool, but we're not done yet.
It's looking like a rainbow. I wonder if there will be a pot of gold next to it.
Haha, it looks good already, but we can make it even better. I'll make dimples, just like I did with the fidget spinner. Whoa, this is so relaxing.
Woohoo! I can jump here all day. So much fun. Let's make more crafts, Susie.
Sure, let me just call for a backup. Samantha, hi! I need your help.
And once again, hello everyone! Sue and Samantha will show you how to build another fidget toy. Love origami? Give us a thumbs up! And now, let's see how you two will cope with the obstacles!
Hey, that's not fair, Sammy.
Whoa! Ouch!
Did you fell into your own trap? Care to help me?
I have already folded like a gazillion of origami.
Someone here likes to brag. Come on, this side now.
And I can also use different tools. Look!
Am I the only person who's actually working?
Can't you see all this folding?
Take a look at this, Sam. What do you say?
Hey, I brought you more details. I'm like an origami sensei.
Hey, origami sensei! Where did you bury my... Oh, there it is. Let's start assembling. Uh-huh.
And I'll work with mine by myself. Here we go. Uh-huh. One more fold. And like this.
Show me, now. Ah, help me, it's a snake. Ugh! Ouch! Not fair.
Ow!
Oops! Sammy, you scared her off. And I've sketched out a little avocado on this napkin. Look, an ordinary paper napkin and a cute character.
Then you need to strengthen it with adhesive tape. I'm stuck!
It's okay, Sammy. I'll just take a new piece of it. The idea is good, though. Give me just one more second.
I'll take it from here. Uh-huh. These are cut out, which means we should put them together.
What's happening? Is it snow?
I'm sorry, Sam. I just couldn't resist it.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm gonna give it all to you, Susan.
Well done, Sammy. Now we can fill up our toy. Let me just seal the opening. And done. The stress-relieving toy is ready.
Let me try it. Uh-oh. Thanks, Sue. It's so cool!
It's really good to hold it in your hands.
Okay, Sammy, this is the last toy, and I know you're going to love it.
No way! Is that a hat? Let me try it on. Does it suit me?
No, these will be pineapple popping parts.
Oh, sounds interesting!
First, we'll glue them into the cardboard and foam paper base. Like this. Let me speed up a little. Now we're talking. Now we'll glue exactly the same part to the other side. Will you help me out, Sam?
Of course. Now we need to close it with a side piece, like the real poppets have.
Hey, I think something is missing.
Sam, go away. Everything is in its place. See?
I think you forgot about the green top. Let me grow it for you. Quickly! You! Grow faster! Like this. This is exactly what I was talking about.
So cool!
Wow! Hey, friends! Ouch! We have an unusual slime crafting video for you today.
Oh, really? Because we don't show any slimes here. Yum, yum. Wow, she loves to bite. Come here, Mousy. Whoops.
So you're gonna trash the whole place!
Sorry, my bad. It was an accident, I promise.
Okay. Keep going then.
Oh, you are so restless, but I won't let you escape again.
Fairy Slime is here to help. Bibbidi bobbidi poof and snap. Check this out. It's so oozy.
Wow, look at this yellow sliminess. And it's so neon bright. Awesome. Slimes are here, so we're waiting for unicorns too, right? Let's make one according to our recipe. We'll fill this mold in 1 slime blink, which is 10 human minutes.
I'm on my way. Vroom, vroom. Did you order a slime? Here I am. Vroom, vroom. Whoa, what is that? Whoa, what happened with my car?
Your vehicle has turned into a pumpkin. A squishy one. Oh, I'm gonna eat you, Susan. We'll see about that. Hop.
Is that an orange slime? How did you do that?
It's pure magic, Sammy. And a little bit help of video effects too. It's so nice to the touch.
Holy cannoli, they're making slimes out of pumpkins already!
Yeah, we have plenty of recipes like that on our channel.
Wow, Susie's daydreaming out there. You can subscribe too! Hey, wait, what was that?
Oh, hi. Do you participate in our slime madness too? Wow, you're so flexible and stretchy. Let's see what else you can do. Hop. And hop.
Let me check. As an expert, I'd say it turned into a slimy mess. Ugh.
It's not that bad. See, now we have a new neon green slime to fill up our unicorn mold. It is utterly beautiful. Let's put it together with the others.
Are you Crafter Sue? It's a delivery for ya.
Interesting. Seems like someone's in love with me. Who could that be?
I don't know. My job is to deliver.
Oh, it's a secret admirer then. How thoughtful. Ooh, and they know I love dragon fruit. I'm flattered. Let's cut it open. Hiya! What's this all about? Wow! It's the first time I see fruit with squishes inside. It's probably the cutest prank ever. I've got a dinosaur zoo now. Roar!
Oh, come on, Sue. It was for me. Didn't you get it?
Of course I did. I'm so thrilled with your surprise.
Yeah, I'm good at these things. Okay, let's keep moving before I burst with pride.
Friends, give our sweet slime some kudos. And check out this pretty mess. Okay, let's put this one over here. Fill in our unicorn's muzzle.
I like to play with something too. I'm so tired of being bored.
What do you think about this blue thingy?
Oh, love it. Can I have it, please? Move over a bit. Oh, yeah. I'll be your host now. Okay, we're gonna take some of these brightly colored beads. Oh, come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Ta-da. I've made a slime by myself. Ooh, it's so sticky. Whoops. I'm covered in this ooze now. Hey, get it off me.
Sam, are you done already?
Fine. You know, your job is not that hard. Get it off me.
Stay still, please. That's it. Uh-huh. And here's where we'll put this little blue slime. Oh, it's really sticky. I guess there's just one more color missing, and it's red. Friends, listen to this rolling sound. It's so relaxing. Oh, there's a mechanism here, too. Let's give it a whirl. Uh-huh. Whoa, so many red beads spilled out from it. They really look like candy. So
Oh, my precious Count Papa. It's 150,000 bees.
Are you sure you count them right? I hope it's okay I took a few.
How do I open it? No, whoops! Wow!
Friends, please blow on your screens.
Huh? Me too? Should I come closer? I'm confused. Huh? Holy chitteroni!
Thank you all. We have some real magicians here. Check out this awesome slime we've made together.
Oh, I want to try some magic too. Come on, make up! We'll see. Did you see that? Did you see what happened? Huh?
What? I've been playing with my new slime.
What I just did? Help!
Okay, I think we're done here. I'm gonna go get the glitter.
So, stay tuned. Ouch! Ugh.
In a few minutes, our slime unicorn will shimmer like a rainbow. But before we'll get started with glitter, let's mix up the slimes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
What?
Are you gonna work with your bare hands? You better take this.
Oh, whoops. You're right. I don't think we've ever done this before. It's not very convenient, by the way. So sticky. Oh, this won't do. Hold on, I'm gonna get you, slime. Ha! Told you. Huh? Hey, give it back!
I'll say you dear spatula. I'm diving in. What?
Easy, Tiger. We can't lose you too. Let me find it. Peekaboo. Huh? Where did this apple come from? Weird. Huh? Another apple? Is there a whole apple tree hiding inside the slime? Whoa, that's a lot of layers. Okay, I think I found something. Huh? Is it a mirror? How did this get here? Oh, there's so many toys, too. We don't need to buy them ever again. What a miracle slime!
Be sure to subscribe.
Sammy!
What?
Do you happen to know how all these things got inside this mold, huh?
Well, I could have dropped some stuff in it. I'll take this away. Gimme. Oh, come on.
Oh, you're such a prankster. Whoosh! Well, it's time to move on to the best part of the craft. Our unicorn will be very colorful and shiny. I'm going to alternate colors of glitter covering the entire space, like this. Oh, this is so relaxing. I think blue will go next. Wait a second, I'm sure I had a blue bottle here.
I'm a great artist. I know better.
No, don't sneeze on our slime. Sam, you'll make the glitter fly away.
Oh, I'm never allowed to create in this house.
Oh, such a drama king. I think it looks…
Yes,
Uh-oh.
send some glitter. Don't make slimes and bitter. Wow! The track's still on.
Could have just asked.
Huh? Well, it's not fun, but thanks, Sue. I'm gonna have a blast. Okay, here we go. Uh-huh. And then this, let's go.
Since Sam is replacing me, I can replace him with candy.
Huh? Did you say candy? Change my mind. I want to be me again.
No way.
Gritty, Sue.
I'm just kidding. Next, we'll have a yellow lemon color.
Hey, Lemon, I'm good here. With my candy.
Up next is this color of a ripe sweet peach.
Do you like peaches? Thumbs up if you do and subscribe if you definitely do.
Check this out. Our slime is almost completely covered. Let's finish the unicorn's glitter decor with this rich red.
Holy cannoli, Sue, where are his eyes? Here, take this.
Black glitter? Wow, I didn't even know we had one.
Oh, Sue, it's so pretty. I can look at it forever.
No one doubts that. But let's get to the most exciting part. It's a shame to break it all down, of course. Oh, it does look beautiful.
Well, we're gonna break it anyway, right? I brought a rake for it. Wish, wish. It's my magic slime garden.
Hey, I've got an idea. Check this out.
Okay, let's try something new, like drawing.
Hey, that's a great idea. We can just doodle whatever we want.
Time for some drastic measures, Susan.
Roger that, boss. Let's pull it out. Okay, this is not gonna be easy. But I can do it. Come on. Maybe some slime power would help. Okay, seems like I'm on my own now. Oh, come on. Get out. Oh, that's heavy.
It shouldn't have eaten so much glitter.
Oh, check out the color. It's like I'm holding a universe.
I wish I could space travel. Hey, what's going on? What are you doing? Hello!
It's a little revenge for abandoning me.
So rude!
Oh, it feels so weird to the touch now.
Let me see that. Hold on. There's something inside?
Really? Let me see. Wow, look at this. Seems like our slime grew out a unicorn.
I've never seen such a beauty. How did it get in there?
I guess we'll never know. Let this mystery remain mystery. That's it for today, friends. Hope you had as much fun as we did.
See y'all in the next videos. Bye-bye!
See you around. Hi everyone! Today we'll make a giant slime from all kinds of makeup. We'll start with dry pigments. First will be white. It goes into this corner. Guys, do you like pink? Give it a thumbs up. 2 colors are not enough. What will be our next choice? Magical powers, show us the color! It's dark burgundy! It looks like a ripe plum. Or grape, depends on what you like more. And now we'll add some green to our fruity palette. Here comes yellow, lemon style. The last one is silver. Oh, it's so shiny! What do you think we'll do now? I almost forgot! This is the transparent slime. Like this. Looks great! We'll draw a rainbow. Did you see that coming? Whoosh! It's pure magic! And here's the result. Just one thing is left to do. Hop! And the rainbow shared with us this little cutie. We'll decorate the big rainbow with these. For the next stage, we'll need my lip gloss collection. I love lip gloss with sparkles. Our rainbow will shine too. 1 lip gloss is not enough. Let's add 2 more. Oh, I couldn't resist it. This is the last one, I promise. Let's combine everything for my cosmetics bags in this slime. Hop. Let's draw a cute little heart. This looks awesome! And 1 more heart. We're getting a funny picture here. I really like the result. Do you want more sparkles? Let's use the highlighter. Pick a color and mix it really good. We'll repeat it with the others. Oh, this is mesmerizing. Now we pour everything into our container. Well, what is this? Any ideas? Oh, these are beads! Let's take some now. We'll add a bit on each side. I'm like an unusual cook today. Now, let's use some unicorn magic. And here we have some polymer clay. Of course, I didn't forget about other colors too. Check this out. Let's see what is left here that we can use for our slime. Nail polish works great in any situation. We'll draw something on top. First goes the pink heart. Blue will look great here. Okay, this time I will come up with something interesting. And I like the space theme too, so let's make a star here. Next ingredient are these colored correctors. Come on, purple. Oh, I need you. Whoosh. It'll look great with our pretty purple star. We're done with these, so let's put them away for now. But if you thought that we're through with sparkles, we're not! Let's add more air clay. Woohoo! Hey, you'll have to give that to me. You can't cook any dish without some spices. We'll use small sequins for that. I couldn't resist. And here comes more pink. We'll squeeze it onto the clay and draw a little. My makeup bag is almost empty. Just a few things left. Let's add the powder on top. Here we go. We also add some stardust to our slime. It's so pretty. Don't be stingy. Add as much as you can. Alright. Have you ever kneaded the dough? It's the same here. Check this out. The colors are mixing together and we're getting this beautiful effect. Sequins and beads look great inside our slime. Let's knead it with both hands. So cool! Let's see how much we can stretch it. Oh, wow! My arm's length won't be enough. Oh, can I have more fairy dust, please? Thank you. Oh wow, just look how our slime has changed already. Now let's try another way of kneading. For example, with kitchen spatula. It works! And slime doesn't stick to my hands. Bum, 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 bum. And it's time for the slime massage. Let's warm it up. Now our slime looks like a huge bubble gum. What else can we do with it? We can shape it any way we want. Look! Now sparkles and beads are not so visible and colors are all mixed. What color are we gonna get in the end? Well, it's no longer a secret. In the end, the slime is pink.
Bip bip, here are the first round toys for Rich Chris. Oh wow, so cool! I wonder what it can do. Huh? Awesome! More! Catch me! Oh, can't catch me! Can't catch me! Now comes the best trick. Chris, charge the rocket! Yep, the bird's in the nest. Here we go!
Sam, our viewers can't see anything like that. Could you move? Ugh. Oh, I know how to win this round. Wrap the paper roll into corrugated cardboard. Oh! We'll take a half-inflated balloon and put it inside.
Nancy! Hey, Nancy! Look here!
Uh-huh. Like this. Oh, what a cutie! Oh.
If you like that word, give us a thumbs up! Huh? Why are you laughing? Did I go ears? I really did?
My bunny will have them. I will call him All Ears. Are you happy, All Ears?
But Skill and Drive, this bunny will get more popular than you.
That's right. They can't fight against the gold card. Come here. Oh, these cute little caterpillars are so cool. My new pets. They move so funny on the table. And they can also dance. Oh, I love it. Whatever. I also have something fun. Maybe. Ew. What on earth is this?
Be brave, Nancy. You're not a kid.
I guess I found what I need finally. We put the brush into the napkin and roll. Now we squeeze the napkin like that.
So, partner, let's color this craft. And give me that. We're short on brushes, you know.
Our caterpillar goes on her first trip to a green leaf. Look, she knows her dance moves.
Oh, a new species, Papyrus pilaris. $5 for a photo.
Awesome. Whatever, I'll get an amazing toy now. Where's my delivery? It's been an hour. What is it? What? Oh, it's finally here. It's the unicorn with a squish. It's so soft and cool. And now comes the surprise. We cut the squish and find a giant slime. And there's a gift inside.
This trick is called Give Us a Thumbs Up.
Chris got a really cool toy, but my craft will be just as good. This is shaving foam. And here comes glue. Lots of it.
Wow, you can make my clone like that. We just need more color. Real big and blue.
The best slime food is liquid soap. This much.
Hey, don't speak for all slimes. I like cookies more.
But this giant really liked the meal. Look how stretchy it is. Wow.
Huh? Is it my rival now? Oh, come here, you slick one. Hey, what's going on? Not in my head!
Oh, this slime is hungry. Grr, give me more toys. Oh, look how many things are inside now. The horse and the money. Whee! Uh-oh. What is it? An earthquake? What's happening? We have a party here. Woohoo! Look how they're dancing.
Holy macaroons, what a party! I'll shake my jelly too!
Hey, Chris, I don't think we need this challenge. So, truce?
Oh, thank you.
What was that? Did you decide to prank me? Whoops, it was an accident. Maybe you'll better like my new craft. We'll fix the ball inside with an elastic band. Turn the balloon inside out and inflate it. Here's our roly-poly.
Did you order a happy face? It's kind of hard to hold two faces, you know.
A little more. Yep, the toy's face is ready. The first one is a cute sheep. Bah! Join your friends. They're already dancing. Oh, I guess it's a new trend. Make a craft and shoot a video. What is that?
It's just me, bragging with a new toy. Hop, hop. Shiver me cheddars, what can be better than this?
This? Who likes to pop the balls? Give a thumbs up! Wow!
Hey, the cookies are much better!
Oh, Chris has the best toys again and I've got only trash! Ugh, I'm fed up! I've got an idea! It's a crime to throw away these duckies. Quick, hide inside! And glitter will make it even better.
We also need a toothpaste for, well, you'll see. Duckies, hold your beaks!
Whoa, it's a glitter party. So sparkly. I need one more thing though. Oh, this is perfect. I guess it's stuck there after my rage outburst. Stay tuned. More awesomeness coming next.
That's our trash! Sam from Team Gryffindor got the snitch! We won!
Yeah, sure. Oh! Did I really catch it? And is it a fidget spinner? I love spinners! Look at these wings! Here's another one, and one more!
Up, 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 up. Oh! Whoops, it was an accident.
Aw, it's ruined now. To the trash can. Whoa, are you sure? You can make a cool craft. Make the clay mold and remove the pieces, except for the central one. Then add epoxy resin.
Don't forget about the glitter! Yay!
When it sets, our spinner is ready. We can play. Whoosh! Oh,
Spinners are out of date. Now pop tubes are trending. I'm the unicorn pop tube king. Behold!
wanna scare me? You wish. We'll make a colorful paper accordion. Make a few folds. Almost done. It jumps so funny. I love it. This is better than a pop tube.
I got the paws for you.
Aw, thanks. This is so fun.
And we're done for today. Wait, I wanted to say play. Let's play!
Forget about the challenge. It's so much fun.
Hey, are we friends again? Playing together will be awesome. Hey, and who's gonna play with me? Go and eat their ice cream. They won't notice. Right. I'll leave some for the girls, though. See ya!
Bye-bye.